You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow, let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word. This is essentially a prolonged or a very long argument or dispute with somebody, and that's pronounced in English as feud. Okay, so feud. It's pretty straightforward once you know, actually, but so essentially the E here is pronounced E, and then the U is pronounced U. Feud. So it makes sense, but when you see the word and the spelling doesn't. But once you know, feud. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.